Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to use a template matching to find the location of your puzzle piece. For example, this is my puzzles and I would like to find the location of this piece in my puzzle, which is here. It's very useful when you have a puzzle with 1,000 pieces and you would like to find the location of your pieces. It takes me a long time to find the location of that piece, and with this template matching library you can very much easy find any location of uh, for your puzzle piece. Before we start running program I can explain how it works. This you can go to the Opencv libraries and website and type template matching. This is a very simple explanation for that. This is your source image and this is your the piece you're looking for is as a template image, and you start from the top left and go pixel by pixel to the right and down uh, until you find the location of your template. And for doing that, they're using different algorithm to find the location of the template, the match for your template, and this is actually a different method. You can use it in Opencv library very easy. One of the easiest way to do that is they transfer the both image to the grayscale, and after that you can have your matrix of both template and original picture. And one of the method they're using this is sum of the absolute difference. Actually you can go to Wikipedia and there is a very simple example here. Everybody can understand that. This is your template, this is your source image, this is the matrix from the template, and what we do, we subtract any value of the templates to the from uh, you subtract the values of the template and your original image in grayscale. For example, here 2 minus 2 is 0 and 4 minus 1 is 3, and pretty much you get this result for the left, and then you shift one ahead and then come to the next column and you subtract again. 2 minus 7 is 5. Because you're using the absolute, you have to write the positive numbers here, and at the end you have the you can reach at the end of the image, which is the right side of image. After all, after you have done this one, you can add all values together. For example, for these values you can 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. You come to the result 20. For the center of the picture, the result is 25, and the right side is 17. And then the lowest value, which is the right side, is 17, is your the match for your template. And pretty much in here they're using the same algorithm, one of the algorithms they're using for as a template matching. Now I can close this one. You can go to this picture and I write the simple program. If I run the program, I can close this one. I'm looking for this picture, which is the match JPEG, and I run the program, and you will see here I found this piece. And also I can minimize here. I can change this one to the harder image, which is the let me find it for you guys. This piece, actually this piece should be somewhere here. If I the name of this match to JPEG, I can right here the match to, save it and compile and run it. Here we go. Here we found that piece of puzzles here. Thank you for watching my video. In the next video I would like to use the web camera to have a live streaming, and we can use a template and move the camera around until we find our template match. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and thumb up, and very exciting videos coming up. Thank you very much. Bye.